A SCOBY is a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast that you use in kombucha. In order to make kombucha, you need a SCOBY, sweet tea, water, and the starter liquid that should come with the SCOBY. If you want a full video on how to make your first batch, you can click the link in the corner. Today, we're just going to talk about what the SCOBY is and what it should look like. The primary bacteria in a SCOBY is called Acetobacter zelenum. It produces a lot of cellulose, which is what makes up this layer. The cellulose provides protection against wild yeast and other bacteria that are feeding off the sweet tea. So when the yeast eat the sugar, it breaks it down into two different components, which is fructose and glucose. The bacteria uses the glucose to produce the cellulose layer. The yeast, which are the dark strands and the stuff you see floating in the bottom of your sweet tea, will produce carbon dioxide and ethanol, which is what gives the kombucha its acidic and tart taste. A good viable SCOBY should have a layer that is 1/4 inch thick to 1.5 inch thick. It should smell tangy and tart. It'll be creamy white, maybe tan with dark yeast strands, and it'll be smooth and soft. Those are the things you want to look for when getting a SCOBY, either from a reputable source or a friend. So places you can buy SCOBYs. I personally like the Kombucha shop. I've used them several times and they have really good SCOBYs. You can obtain a healthy SCOBY from a friend or a neighbor as long as you get enough starter liquid, which is about 1 to 2 cups. And then try to avoid SCOBYs that are dehydrated, refrigerated, or tiny test tube sized. With every batch, you're going to have a mother and a daughter SCOBY. The mother SCOBY is what SCOBY you put in first, and the daughter is the one that grew at the top of your new batch. People often ask what you can do with the old mother SCOBYs. You can start a SCOBY hotel. A SCOBY hotel is where you store extra SCOBYs that can be given away or used in later or experimental batches. When starting a SCOBY hotel, use the same size jar as the one you produced kombucha in. To start a SCOBY hotel, you need to clean your jar with hot soapy water and cure it with vinegar. Place the SCOBYs in a jar and add 2 cups of mature liquid kombucha and top it off with sweet tea and submerge the SCOBY. Add mature kombucha or sweet tea anytime the level gets low. Then cover with a cloth, put away in a dark location, and don't refrigerate it. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. Stick around for next week's video that explores the other elements of kombucha, tea, water, and sugar.